In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Strava for running. Strava is a simple way to track your runs using your phone's GPS or a compatible smartwatch. It records your distance, pace, time, and route, then organizes everything so you can see progress over days, weeks, and months. Whether you're just getting started or returning to running, the goal here is to help you capture accurate data and use it to stay motivated. First, open the Strava app. If you already have an account, log in. If not, create one in a moment or two by following the on-screen prompts. Setting up an account makes sure your activities are backed up and lets you see your runs in a feed, compare efforts over time, and share with friends if you want to. Next, allow location access. Strava needs your phone's GPS to measure where and how far you run. When the app asks for permission, tap Allow. Also make sure your phone's location or GPS setting is turned on. For the most accurate tracking, head outside, give the phone a few seconds in an open area, and avoid starting under heavy tree cover or indoors. Now you're ready to start a run. Tap the record button at the bottom of the app. Choose Run as your activity type, so Strava labels your workout correctly. Wait a moment for the GPS to connect. You'll usually see an indicator showing it's ready. When you're set, tap the orange Start button. As you move, Strava will track your distance, pace, time, a map of your route, and an estimate of calories burned. You can glance at the screen if you need quick feedback, but it's fine to tuck the phone away and just run. Strava will keep recording in the background. When you're done, tap Stop, then tap Finish. You'll see options to add a run title, photos, and any notes you want to remember, like how you felt or the weather. Tap Save Activity, and your run is added to your Strava feed and your training history. After saving, you'll see your stats: total distance, average pace, moving time, elevation, and splits for each kilometer or mile. Pace is shown as minutes per kilometer or mile, which tells you how long it takes to cover that unit. Splits break down your effort so you can spot steady segments or fast finishes. If you're new to running, focus on consistency over speed. Don't worry about pace early on. Use Strava mainly to track progress and stay motivated. A run-walk approach is a great way to build endurance safely while keeping your streak going.